be entirely based on the trading matrix. You can edit and change your trading matrix as often as you like, and all future trades will then be representative of that trading matrix. Is this successful matrix then applied to all future data and only selects trades which have been profitable in the past? Yes, exactly, Stuart. When I clicked on that Save to Chart button, that saved the trading matrix to the chart, and it filtered the trades according to that trading matrix. But you should be aware that that's not a very appropriate process, because the initial trading was taken on the basis of all 4 trades. If you edit the trading matrix, you get an idea of how your new matrix would have performed, but you must build the trading history again using that matrix to see exactly how it would perform. As a matter of interest, I do this process. I cannot tell you how often I've done this process. Obviously, this is the core, of what we're doing here at Sentient Trader. I do this process several times a day on many different things, and as a general rule, I have found that when you run the same building trading process again using an improved trading matrix, you will find that in fact the results are generally better than they were just by filtering the trades built with the full trading matrix. Okay, I hope that answers the question. I know there were some questions I missed out at the beginning of today's trades. Let me just go back and see what I've missed out on. I know Ronnie had a few. Keep the questions going. I'm happy to keep chatting for as long as people have questions. Oh, and I have a survey. If should I put the survey up now? If you wouldn't mind, there are just a few quick questions. If you wouldn't mind, just to help us improve our Trader Chat. Let us know what you'd like to talk about, and so on. So I'm going to start that. If you wouldn't mind, please helping us to improve this Trader Chat and make it better for you. Ronnie, I have 3 questions today. What do I need to put in order to get Sentient Trader info? What do I need to put in order to get Sentient Trader info? Ronnie, if you don't mind, you'll need to rephrase the question. I'm not sure I understand that. Sentient Trader info. What do I need to put in order to see wave shapes on my chart? Okay, okay. Do you have a document how every wave shape looks like, and when do they appear, during building of the pattern or after it's completed? Okay. Well, I think those questions I'm hoping have been answered during today's session. Just a reminder: if you're not seeing the wave shapes at the foot of your chart, then it means that you've got Sentient Trading Method turned off. Turn it on and off at will. Get off now, then all future trades taken on this chart will not be sentient trades. Okay? But all trades that were taken earlier were, of course, sentient trades. And the software remembers that. And you turn it on again by going trading, Sentient Trading Method. That's really, really straightforward. Okay. On the trade matrix, what's the meaning of below start and above start? I think I've explained that. Above peak, below peak, curve fitting. Okay. What's the settings in order to get the infos, trade ideas? Okay, and Ronnie, there aren't any settings. In order to get the information on the trade ideas, if you have sentient trading turned on, then when you build a trading report, you'll see those statistics. If you don't have sentient trading turned on, then it won't show you those statistics. I'm still not sure if I'm answering that question properly. Remember, if you're a first timer in today's Trader Chat and you like the look of the software, you can get a special first timer 20% discount. Send Paul Johnson a private chat message, and he will help you do that. I have a message from Paul. Should you not in the test have a period which you do not build a test history on, so you then afterwards see if the test matrix works in the future? Yes, that is a really good idea to do that, to build the trading history over a previous period of data, and then test it going forward in real time. The reason that we don't do that is because, in fact, we've been working with intraday data, and the really true test is to build a trading history and then monitor it over a period of several months at a 1 minute degree scale, which is exactly what we've done. So effectively, we really are doing that. It is something that we have considered implementing into the software. The process takes a very, very long time doing it. Testing intraday, for instance, on a 1 week period, takes the software about 2 days to do. It's just not really very practical. But yes, absolutely. I think out of something testing, and anyway, it's a statistical thing. Absolutely, you build a trading history for a while, and then you run it on a separate data, which is effectively what we've been doing since last year when we started doing this on 1 minute charts. We are doing it, but in real time, so there can be no doubt that we are curve fitting or anything like that. How do we clear trading history and restart the building process? You clear trading history by going to the trading menu, and you click on the Clear All Trades, Orders and Action Signals menu. Clear all trades, orders and action signals, and that will get rid of everything. Okay. Save the workspace as something and save it as a different name before you do that. I always end up creating 2 workspaces. I have the workspace which has the full trading matrix, which I store for posterity so that I can come back to it if I like and reanalyze it. I have a workspace which has the edited matrix, which is just an approximation of the trading history. And then I have a third workspace which has the true, what I call the true matrix, which is rebuilt a trading history using the correct matrix. And then sometimes, of course, I have a fourth one where I take that forward in real time and generate the trading status in real time. Sentient performs orders. That's my question. Save this live analysis. You always see what Sentient tries to do and where it puts stop and take profit levels. That was my question. Was that you? No. Okay. Sorry. If you want to view. If you want to view details about your current trades, you go to Trade Tools, View Orders, and it presents you with an English-friendly text version of the orders that you should currently have in this chart. So you can see this chart has an order generated on the 23rd of August 2011, buy 13 shares or contracts at 1161.50 to cover a short trade, and buy 22 shares or contracts with a stop loss at that level. It gives you the full trade, including reference numbers and everything. You can print them, save them, and just say done. Okay, I think that's what you're asking. Can I get to see the live trade chart again at any time? The live trade chart, the live analysis system? Yes, absolutely. It's up there 24 hours a day for your entertainment. And for your information, let me give you if you look at that live analysis chart, you can simply go to our website and click on the live analysis system, and you can read all about it. You can enter your email up there, or I can just give you the link if I can remember it. Let's see, www. Sentient Trader live. There we go. That's it there. That's what we call the workspace, which is the introduction page, and you can see all the live. You can see all the live. That's what Charles is speaking about. Out of sample. Right, Mark. Out of sample. Sorry, I was thinking out of sample data. Can you provide a link to chat replays? Okay. Yes, Stuart, the link to the chat replays, what needs to happen is I need to convert this file and I need to transfer it up onto the internet. It will be available a few hours after we've finished, because it takes a few hours for us to do all of that. And then I think what we'll do is probably put a link on our website. We'll put a link on our website to go and review these trader chats. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Are there any? Ronnie, did I answer that question of yours finally? I think. I hope I understood it. Let me see. I have a private. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kevin. And good luck out there, everybody. I must say, I think this is going to be a really, really interesting week in the markets. Didn't ever get around to talking about the S&P 500 and where it's going, but well, we'll do that next week. But it's a really interesting what could be happening over here. Anyway, thank you very much, Peter. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Ronnie. Yeah, please just send us an email, Ronnie, if you need any help with